So that's why we think this video will be good for you, for new D&D players or experienced D&D players that are new to this new book, because that's what we are. So, and we teach it to other people. It's important to for us to know what we're going to teach. But I learn by teaching. When I'm forced to teach something, I have to learn it, right? That's the Feynman method, right? So,
Absolutely. Absolutely. I really took me a while in life to learn the value of like getting back to that beginner's mindset, like focusing on fundamentals, whatever you're doing, as you get more and more experience under your belt, it's easier and easier to forget. I mean, one, how to explain it to someone who hasn't been doing it for a decade. Like I was playing with someone on Monday night and they were like, "Oh, what's like they're changing D&D? What's going on?" I was like, "Oh, there are people in the world who like don't think about this all day every
yeah, I'm obsessed
day."
about this, right? Who are those nut
Um,
jobs? So yeah, that's having a normal life. Yeah, and dabbling in a hobby as opposed to us who like dive in the deep end and immerse ourselves in it. That's a technique, that's a great way to learn something. And I was told a long time ago, you don't there's a different level of understanding. Uh you can understand it, but if you can tell somebody how to do it in a simplified way, you've assimilated it pretty much. And
yeah.
so well, that's
Unless
what
you
we're
can
gonna do.
explain
So
it
the
to a
first,
5-year-old, you don't know. You don't know something as well as you think you do.
that's a really good point. Actually, that's a really good rule of that somebody taught me about investing. They said if you
Hmm.
can't explain why you're in a stock to somebody else, you shouldn't be in that stock probably.